today we're going to be playing tag in the grass. I'm it. You better get to running. You got 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wow, he's going 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm coming for you, boy. Oh, God. I ain't supposed to be hiding. Hey, you ain't supposed to tackle me.
The attack.
You can't do this. This ain't how hide and seek's played.
This ain't hide and seek, boy.
Nah, this man crazy. Well, you're it. Looks like he's turning into his alpha form, bro. Like, who is this kid?
I'm an alpha.
Oh, heck no. I'm out of here. Yo, I think he's gonna get me. Hey, hey. I juked, bro. Oh, God, he getting up quick. He did not like the fact that I just juked him.